Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 8th. Victory in Europe Day 1945. On May 8, 1945, World War II officially ended in Europe. Germany surrendered unconditionally to the Allied forces, bringing relief and celebration across the continent. Crowds gathered in cities like London, Paris, and New York to cheer the end of the war. This day became known as Victory in Europe Day, or V-Day. Leaders like Winston Churchill addressed their nations with hopeful messages. It marked the defeat of Nazi Germany after 6 long years of war. Coca-Cola invented 1886. On May 8, 1886, the world's most famous soft drink, Coca-Cola, was first served in Atlanta, Georgia. A pharmacist named Dr. John Pemberton created it as a medicine for headaches and fatigue. It was sold at a local pharmacy for just 5 cents a glass. People quickly began enjoying it for its sweet and refreshing taste. Soon, it became a popular soda across the United States. Today, Coca-Cola is enjoyed all around the world. The first Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show 1877. On May 8, 1877, the first Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show was held in New York City. It featured over 1,200 dogs of various breeds and attracted large crowds. The show was started by a group of dog lovers who gathered at a Manhattan hotel. It quickly became a prestigious event in the dog world. Today, it's one of the oldest and most famous dog shows in the United States. Many people tune in every year to see the best dogs compete. Mount Pelee eruption 1902. On May 8, 1902, a volcano called Mount Pelee erupted on the Caribbean island of Martinique. The eruption destroyed the entire city of St. Pierre in just minutes. Nearly 30,000 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest volcanic eruptions in history. Only a few people survived, including a prisoner who was protected by thick stone walls. The disaster shocked the world and led to better volcano monitoring. Mount Pelee is still considered dangerous today. Birth of Harry S. Truman 1884. Harry S. Truman, the 33rd President of the United States, was born on May 8, 1884, in Missouri. He became president after Franklin D. Roosevelt died in 1945. Truman made the tough decision to use atomic bombs in World War II. He also helped shape the post-war world through the Marshall Plan and the founding of the United Nations. His leadership style was simple, honest, and bold. Truman is remembered for guiding the U.S. during a very critical time. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.